In this quick video, I'll show you how to add product categories to your website menu. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to Appearance and Menus. Select the menu you want to work on. Just in case you can't see the product categories here, just go up to Screen Options, activate Product Categories, close Screen Options again, and here they are. Let's start adding some of these. Add to Menu. I'm going to put them under the Shop menu item, just by giving it a little indentation there. And I'm going to save my menu. Now we're back on the home page. Let's reload it to see how our menu looks like now. As you can see, we've just added our product categories to the website menu. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.